is Dr. Deepika. I'm from Hyderabad. I'm here to attend the event. So I'm in second batch, second semester. So I'm a healthcare professional where my experience calculates a lot over my degree or everything. So a doctor without a 1 year experience or not a proper experience is not considered to be a right one. So I need experience, but I can't put a pause to my experience for my education. So I can't sacrifice my experience. So Mahi gave me a platform where I can work, I can continue my experience, parallelly I can win a degree. So that is the reason I chose an online platform. And Mahi, why? Because I have been to many other universities for seminars, for some course or some hands-on program, of which Mahi had given me flexibility and the interaction sessions are good. Like I had any doubt, I can clear it with my mentors. So that is the reason I selected Mahi. First of all, I'm very bad at finances, but when I entered Mahi, through my financial management, there is a one special session that they took for this financial management, how to handle your own budget. So that literally helped in my budgets. So when I wanted to explain something to my friends also about planning your own budget, the session really helped me a lot. So precise of what it want to give us and so clear. And third one, it is so inspiring. 100 to 101%. For 200% also, I'm sure that I would recommend Mahi only because of the feasibility and the flexibility. If I couldn't reach my on time, if I couldn't submit on time, I can speak to my mentor, I can explain her what I'm going through and she'll help me what are the options are there. So 200% I'm going to suggest this for any of my colleague or my friends who's looking forward to it. Yeah, the financial management sir, he is he's very clear and he keeps his sessions very short but so clear. Everyone in my class are very happy with it. This is like out of the box. Financial management is completely out of my box, which I couldn't. This is a very new topic for me, but the journey is so easy that I got it very clear, and I'm able to score good in that subject. I'm being a healthcare worker. I have been always into service sector, so I want an upgrade. I already had my specialization and all. Now I wanted to move to admin department where I wanted to go with a proper foundation. So Mahi, I think this course is a proper foundation for my next step. I always wanted to be in the admin team, which this course will be helping me a lot. First of all, the location. I have been to Manipal previously. The location is so beautiful and the campus is so inspiring. So when I wanted to come here because I wanted to, wake up that student, the learning one inside me. Like, yeah, there is much more you can learn. There is much more Josh that you can do. So to wake that up, I wanted to choose this, to come to Panorama and have that thing. I met my peers, which I'm actually in contact virtually. Now we get to meet face to face. And the faculty, I met all of my faculty and I asked them advices which step I have to take. Recently I was offered with a promotion which I'll be completely shifting from clinical to clinical data manager, where I have to deal all with the data and all stuff. So I'm actually panicked. See, like, I'm a doctor, I will be treating the patients, but now going completely into research is a big step for me. So when I got an opportunity to go and talk to my faculty, they simplified my decision. Like, how is it easier and how this helps you in a future perspective. The students who are graduating, first of all, I want to congratulate you for reaching till there. It's not an easy point. Online course is not an easy point. We need to motivate ourselves daily. I'm so inspired seeing you guys reach there, and I wish you all the best for that.